this is the first thing that came out. I think this is the main circuit board, this is the power line, this is the data line. Now let's see what's inside. We have to open this panel up. Oh my god. Damn, man. Do you see? It's like a perfect mirror. I can use this for a mirror, I think. Just, put it right in front of me. And it rotates. It makes some sound, it rotates. Oh, you see my fingerprint? I made this thing dirty. But this is so clean. This is so clean. I think it's like medical grade? No, space grade. Like, what is this? It's not metal, it's not glass, I think. I'm sure those are some pretty strong magnets around there, yes. Come on, just a little push. Yes, I got it. This is a strong magnet. I think these are called neodymium. It's something. I'll put it over here. That's the name of this magnet. I'm not going to break this motor and the disc because I think that I can do something with it in the future. I'll save it. Alright, for now we got the magnets. So now we have two pieces of very, very strong neodymium magnets. So that is all. I need to clean all this up. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, let me know in the comments what I can do better. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.